Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliot with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to plant a food plot to attract wildlife using a Frontier food plot seeder. Today we'll be working on a little plot of land tucked back into a tree-lined area in southeast Kansas, where we'll be planting a mix of black oil sunflowers and iron clay cowpeas, a tasty warm season legume. It's a great combination for two reasons. One, deer, turkey, and other wildlife really go for these plants. And two, the sunflowers will grow tall, sturdy, and straight. And the cowpeas, which grow as a vine, will use the sunflower stalks as a support system to grow on. Now that's setting a table for a wildlife buffet. Planting this food plot is a perfect project for this Frontier FP2208 food plot seeder. It combines an adjustable gang of notched discs to penetrate and disturb the food plot soil, 2 rows of S-tines that break up clods and prepare the seed bed, 2 seed boxes with electric drop seeder and scatter plate, a chain drag to cover the seed, and a roller for good seed to soil contact and to level the seed bed. So with one machine, you can disc, cultivate, seed, cover the seed, and level the seed bed. It also includes a seed rate calibration chart and seed flow control adjustment. You can determine the correct amount of seed per acre you need, where to set the seed dispersal rate, and what ground speed to maintain, all based on the type of seed being used. We've also added a John Deere quick coupler to the tractor, which makes hooking up all kinds of implements as easy as possible, because you don't have to get off the tractor to attach compatible implements to the 3-point hitch. We'll plant our food plot on about 1/3 of an acre, surrounded by dense trees, with a creek running along the north side. It's perfect, out of the wind and secluded. The wildlife are gonna love it. Okay, time to get started. This plot has never been planted with anything, and there's a lot of thick, low vegetation on it now. So we'll keep the chain drag rolled up and out of the way. But despite the thick vegetation, the notched discs in the 2 rows of S-tines do a great job of disturbing the soil and preparing the seed bed. Even though we could do all of this in one pass, Caitlin's going to prepare the seed bed by going over this ground a couple times before planting. First, going east and west, then going southwest and northeast, or at a slight angle to her first pass. For planting, we'll be using 10 pounds of sunflowers and 10 pounds of the cowpeas. We'll plant them separately because the seeds are such different sizes. For the sunflowers, we'll set the gate opening on the seed boxes at 5.5. And for the cowpeas, we'll set it at 3. The electric Versa seeder keeps the seeds flowing smoothly and evenly out of the seed boxes. They fall and hit the adjustable scatter plate, which allows the operator to set the angle of dispersion. In our final pass, the discs and S-tines churn and prepare the seed bed. The seeds are spread directly onto the seed bed, and the roller presses them into the soil, creating great seed-to-soil contact. From start to finish, this whole project takes less than 90 minutes. This Frontier food plot seeder and nearly 600 other implements are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.